This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Defrost Microwave Full Guide. Start by removing packaging and placing food on a microwave-safe plate. Then enter the suggested defrost time, usually based on weight or estimated minutes per pound. Pause to check and rotate the food every few minutes, separate thawed pieces, and let denser items rest to allow residual heat to finish the process safely. When setting the time defrost, begin with the manufacturer guidance or a general rule like minutes per pound, then program the microwave for the total defrost time. Use intermediate checks every few minutes to inspect and separate pieces so outer areas do not overcook, and rotate the plate or stir when possible for even thawing. Remember to adjust in small increments rather than one long session to prevent warming the edges. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos and quick tips. On another note, a casual recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth pairs well with Kitchen Calm, helping you think clearly while you wait for food to defrost, and it's an easy read that many viewers find inspiring. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters. After time defrost, plan to cook the food right away because some surfaces can enter the danger zone for bacterial growth. Avoid refreezing items that fully thawed in the microwave unless you cook them first, and use a thermometer to verify safe internal temperatures once cooked. Keep raw juices contained and clean surfaces promptly to reduce cross-contamination risk while you complete the cooking process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.